Hello Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. Today we're creating a loaf that is very much inspired by my favorite muffin flavor combination, which is lemon poppy seed. So we're making a gluten-free, dairy-free loaf that consists of mainly almond flour. And with some ground flax for some extra fiber. Nice lemony punch. We're using a lot of zest with lemon juice and poppy seeds, obviously. But this, guys, it comes together so quickly. It's in the oven 25 to 30 minutes. I sprinkled some sliced almonds on top. It's really, really delicious with a cup of tea or a cup of coffee, or you just want that little sweet little treat in the afternoon. This will definitely do it for you. It's incredible. It's really one of those loaves that is just so easy to whip up. So if someone's coming over and you need something really quick with your coffee or your tea, make this because everyone will love this. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. So let's learn how to make this really delicious, healthy lemon poppy seed loaf. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to grease and line an 8x4 loaf pan. First, we are going to toast our almond flour. This is 2 1/4 cups of almond flour that I'm going to toast at 350 for about 8 minutes or so until it's lightly golden. We want to grab a large bowl and we will add 3 eggs to the bowl. These are room temperature. 1/3 cup of maple syrup. You can also use honey or any sweetener you like. 1/4 cup of olive oil. Any oil will do. 1/4 cup of lemon juice. That's about 1 large lemon, and the zest of 2 lemons. One teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. And we're going to give the wet ingredients a good whisk. Next, let's add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. And we're going to give this a really good mix to ensure that the baking soda is well incorporated. I do it this way so I don't need another bowl to mix my leavening agents with my dry ingredients. Next, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of ground flax. If you don't want to add the flax, just add an extra 1/4 cup of ground almonds or almond flour. 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. And 2 1/4 cups of almond flour. Now we're just going to grab a spatula and we're just going to mix everything until it's incorporated. I like to stop mixing once I don't see any more dry spots. I transferred my batter to my loaf pan and I'm just gonna even out the top. And we're going to add a 1/4 cup of sliced almonds. And we're ready to bake. 350 for 25 to 30 minutes or so. Enjoy our healthy lemon poppy seed loaf. It's tangy, it's moist, it has 7 grams of protein per serving and 3 grams of fiber per serving. It's really delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try this healthy lemon poppy seed loaf, let me know in the comments below. Also, just a reminder, our Full of Goodness e-cookbook is available, and I will include the link in our description box. Thank you again for your support, and happy baking.